Welcome to another episode of Cookie Vision. In this video I'm going to be making some warm winter mittens, and I'm starting out with the blue one, and I'm outlining it with a piping consistency blue royal icing. This is a nice little sky blue. I mixed up some sky blue with a little bit of royal blue Americolor dye, and I'm just filling in the inside, flooding it with a flooding consistency of the same color that I used to outline it. And I'm just using my scribe tool to even it all out and push the icing towards the edges, get rid of any air bubbles, anything like that. So I've let them dry, and I also made a few of these white ones as well in the same way that I did with the blue ones. And I'm just giving it a little bit of a splatter with some silver luster dust and a little bit of vodka. I just mix them together and put them on a brush. And then I'm just flicking it with my finger and giving it a nice little, it gives it a nice little sparkle. I'm doing the same thing here with the blue ones as well. And I'm using for this one a silver Rollchem luster dust. And Rollchem is something that I just recently started using, and it's really, really good. It's very, very bright. And it's, I think I really like it. I might actually stick to this one in addition to my Roxy and Rich colors as well. And you can see how sparkly that looks. It's a nice little touch on the background, and it just looks extra Christmassy, right? So, and I'm doing some piped details here. I'm going for a knitted look, and I'm just doing like a little bit of a wave across it and then going back across it again with a number 1 tip white royal icing, a piping consistency. I'm doing the same thing with the blue as here as well, and I'm just doing a wave across and then doing a wave across the opposite direction. And it looks a lot like when you're doing knitting, I think it's called like cable knitting or something like that. And it just looks a lot more like handmade almost. And I'm just taking some white stiff consistency royal icing. It doesn't really matter the consistency because I'm just going to be covering it up. So I'm going to take some white nonpareils, as they're called. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but they're tiny little white sprinkles, and I'm just spooning them over top of the cuff that I piped earlier, just shaking off the excess. And you can see it makes a nice little fluffy cuff. Instead of, piping it, it adds a little bit of extra texture. And I'm just using my scribe tool to get rid of any like little stragglers. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with my white mitten here as well. So I just pipe the cuff with some white royal icing, and I just dip it into the sprinkles and shake it all off. So there you go. I've got 2 wintry looking mittens here, and you could see I made a white one and a blue one. You can make any color you want, really. You can make more Christmassy colored ones. Totally up to you. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!